today's video, I'm showing you guys my results for doing rice water in my hair for 5 days straight. Basically, I came across a YouTube video of Kayla Lachey, and she was doing rice water in her hair for 5 days, and her hair grew so fast in only such a short amount of time. So then I had to go down this YouTube rabbit hole of watching everyone's rice water growth challenge videos. I'll have to say about 85% of the videos, it worked for people. So I was like, yo, I just cut my hair. If you guys didn't see that video, I cut my hair because I was bored in quarantine. I'll link that down below. But basically, I just cut it so that it would be healthier and it would grow. So that's the whole reason why I even wanted to cut my hair in the first place. So I decided to try and make my own rice water. And I decided to challenge myself and do it every single day for 5 days to see if my hair grew or not. So I don't want to get too much into the science, but basically why rice water is so good for your hair is, I'm going to read it because, you know, I don't know it off the top of my head, but rice water contains a bunch of vitamins and minerals, and that includes amino acids, vitamins B, vitamin E, minerals, antioxidants, and basically just a bunch of good nutrients that makes your hair grow. I did watch a couple of videos of people with low porosity hair, and they ended up saying that it kind of ruined their hair for them, so I got really nervous. I have high porosity hair, thank God, so I think this is going to be really beneficial for me. If you guys have low porosity hair, make sure you guys do your research before this because I don't want to ruin your hair. So yeah, this video is me documenting my 5-day journey of my hair growth. So if you guys want to see the results, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and let's get into it. So it is day 1 of rice water. I just filled in my rice water and I put it in this old spray bottle that I had. So I'm going to take my hair down and then we're going to measure it and mark my hair length, and then we're going to document it over time to see if it grew. Ooh, my hair looks cray cray. So we're just gonna do this thing. Let's see. Oh God, it's literally dripping all down my face. So I'm gonna do this off camera and then I'll be back and I'll show you what I do next. Ugh. Ew, ew, ugh. So basically I just saturated my whole head with the rice water and then I brushed it through. Okay, yes. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna braid 2 little braids and then I'm gonna sleep with my little silk bonnet on, and I'm gonna go to bed, wake up in the morning, I'm gonna rinse it out, and then just do my normal routine and keep going until day 5. I'll see you tomorrow. Hi guys, so I need to stop filming this so late because it is like almost midnight and I almost went to bed without doing my rice water treatment. So if I look a little tired and I seem a little like that's why, because it's almost midnight. So I'm just gonna, you know, do the rice water, and then we're gonna measure it to see if it grew from yesterday. Actually, let's just do it now. Let's see if it grew. No, it didn't. So maybe tomorrow we'll have better luck. I don't know. So since we didn't see any update, there's really no need of me showing you guys me spraying my whole head because you know the drill. So I will just see you guys tomorrow and hopefully we'll have some results by then. I'm not giving up on this yet. Please let my hair grow. Thank you. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's up guys? So it is day 3 and I'm just sitting on my floor because I don't know. I'm just chilling. But basically, so it is day 3 and I still haven't noticed any growth. So I'm wondering what I'm doing wrong. I don't know. I fermented it right. I had the right ingredients. I did the whole process right. So I'm very confused onto what I'm supposed to do. So I decided instead of doing a leave-in treatment like I've been doing for the past 2 days, I'm going to shampoo my hair, soak my hair in rice water, leave it on for like 20 to 30 minutes, rinse it out, apply conditioner, and I'm probably going to do that until day 5. I'm thinking maybe a different method will work for me. I don't know. I've been doing a lot of research and I've done everything that everyone has told me. Maybe my hair is just stubborn. I don't know. So we're just going to try a new method tomorrow, see if it works. I'm praying it does. I don't know if I'm going to film it because I don't really know how to film in the shower, but just so you know, that's what I'm gonna do. Everyone's hair is different and mine is just a stubborn little piece of crap. So I'll keep you guys updated for sure. So on day 4, my hair was completely dry and I decided to just do it like the HIIII women do. If you guys don't know, rice water originates from the HIIII women. Their hair is super, super, super long. If you guys have seen pictures, I'll insert one here. And this is basically where the rice water idea comes from. They basically just put their rice water in a huge bucket and dunk their hair in. So I was like, all right, maybe we'll try this method. So I put my rice water in a bucket, tilted my head upside down. I thought since my hair was upside down too, then the blood flow would like stimulate my scalp and my hair would grow. So I did that. I left it in for a half hour and then I washed it out. I will say throughout the past days, my hair was so soft, like baby smooth. Like I could run my fingers through it. It felt really good. And I felt like my curls were way more defined. So even though I didn't see any hair growth those 4 days, my hair felt really good. Day 4 and day 5, no growth again. And then yesterday was day 5 and I did a leave-in treatment at night and then I rinsed it out in the morning and my hair did not grow 1 inch. So I don't know if I did something wrong or not. I don't know if this is so much a scam. My hair might just be different and more stubborn. But yeah, everyone's hair is different, so maybe that was just my experience, but I'm definitely open to taking constructive criticism. I didn't wear the same t-shirt because honestly, I don't know where it went. I think it's in the wash. I don't know, but I don't have it on me anymore, but I know my hair literally it did not even grow 1 inch. I don't know if I did something wrong. Please let me know down below because this was my first time doing the rice water treatment, so I don't know if I did something wrong, but I thought I did everything right. I don't know, I'm really disappointed because I saw a lot of people with amazing results and I am just kind of annoyed. Like, is my hair just stubborn? My hair in general grows really, really, really slow. And I thought that since I just cut my hair so it was nice and fresh, I had no split ends, and I wasn't putting any heat on it, I thought I was gonna have some sort of growth, but no. I'm gonna keep trying this once or twice a month because the benefits are really good for your hair. Please let me know what you guys think down below, and if you guys have tried this, let me know if this worked for you, or if you're gonna try it, let me know. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!